take a look at the frequency spectrum, right? From what we can see from the colors of the rainbow, we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple and violet, right? So each one has a different frequency. It's a different vibration. That's why our eyes can see different things, right? And then there's sound. Sound has, big waves, like the waves of the sea. Or we have very, very high-pitched sounds that we can't even hear with our ears, or only the bats and only the dogs can hear, right? So in nature, everything's frequency, and that affects, our human body, right? It affects our nervous system. If you take a look at the frequency of the planet Earth, it's at actually about 8 hertz, right? 7.83 hertz. So you can measure these frequencies, and we know that if we play that frequency, 7.83, we become very calm. We become very connected, because when we're connected to Mother Earth, we feel nurtured, right? We feel calm, we feel centered. And you know what? You play those frequencies on Qi Coil, is exactly what you feel. You feel centered, you feel calm, you feel connected. Earth has a magnetic field, and we're experiencing that as we, walk around the Earth. But unfortunately, our cell phones have magnetic energy too, but they produce energy that's harmful to our DNA and harmful to ourselves. And when it affects our nervous system, because nervous system is actually like wires, right? We have billions of wires through our body, and guess what wires produce? They produce energy too. They produce a magnetic field. So when you're affecting all these wire circuitry in your body with the wrong frequency, it just messes it up. It doesn't work properly, right? So and that affects you emotionally. You get stressed. You can't sleep. You have anxiety, and you have even depression, and that also turns into physical problems. You may have skin problems, obesity, eating disorders, autism, chronic fatigue. You may have brain fog. So all those things that people are experiencing these days, it's just because you don't have the proper frequency. You don't have the right frequency in your home. You don't have the right frequency in your environment. And, no matter how hard you try, you're basically trying to swim up a waterfall, right? There's so much pressure coming down from the environment. How can you swim up the waterfall? You can optimize your body with just frequencies. And this technology has been around and has been suppressed for decades because it's so powerful, right? Now we can talk about these things. We can share them. We can use them, right? So take advantage of it. You have no idea, like, how big this is,